Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Allied School YouTube channel. This video is for class 1, subject is English. Dear students, today we will complete our unit 4, checkup time. All the questions have been mentioned at pages 22 and 23. First we complete the question C at page 22. Okay, first we read the question. Write questions and answers about these pictures. Again read. Write questions and answers about these pictures. Example, what is this? It is a van. For second picture, what is this? It is a ball. For third, what is this? It is a hen. For fourth picture, what is this? It is a book. For fifth picture, what is this? It is a cat. Okay, you have to make the questions and then you have to give answers. And dear students, you have to complete this question in your copybook. Okay, first write the question, then you have to give answers. Okay, number 2, what is this? And you know it is a ball. Right, it is a ball. For number 3, what is this? It is a hen. For number 4, what is this? It is a book. For number 5, what is this? It is a cat. Okay, now question D. First we read the question. Use the letters in the box to complete the words. Again I am reading. Use the letters in the box to complete the words. ER, Y, EA, NG. Dear students, you have to put missing letters in these blanks. And where are the letters? You know, here. Okay, you can see. Yes, first recognize the pictures. What are these? They are flowers. Okay, what are these? They are beans. And what is this? It is daddy. Okay, and what is she doing? She is eating. Okay, and you know what is the spelling of flowers? Yes, Flowers, flowers. Flowers. And where is ER? Yes, this is ER. You have to write ER here. Okay, like this. And what are these? They are beans. Okay, and what's the spelling of beans? B-E-A-N-S. Yes, B-E-A-N-S. Beans. Where is EA? Yes, EA. Now you have to write EA in this blank. Okay, like this. Now number 3, a teddy. Yeah, this is a teddy. What's the spelling of teddy? T-E-D-D-Y. Yes, T-E-D-D-Y. Teddy. You have to write here Y. Yes, here it is a Y. Yes, you can see here Y. You have to put Y here. Like this. Now, she is eating. What's the spelling of eating? E-A-T-I-N-G. Eating. Now, N-G. You have to write here N-G. You have to put N-G from here and write here N-G. Okay, like this. Now, the next question, sentences. Question E. Complete the sentences using the words in the box. Read again. Complete the sentences using the words in the box. What are the words? Sitting, wearing, reading, drinking. Sitting, wearing, reading, drinking. Dear student, this is monster. A big monster. Okay. And the monster is reading a book. Yes, you can see in this picture a monster is reading a book, and it is holding a cup of tea. Okay, it is drinking a cup of tea, and you know it is sitting on a ball. It is sitting on a ball, and you know it is wearing trousers. Yes, red trousers. Okay, now you have to put all these words in these blanks. The first one has been done for you. The monster is reading a book. You can see in this picture. Number 1, it is dash a cup of tea. Yeah, it is drinking a cup of tea. What's the monster doing? It is drinking a cup of tea. You have to write here drinking. Can see the spelling of drinking from here. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. Okay, right here drinking, like this. Okay, now it is dash on a ball. It is sitting on a ball. Okay, the monster is sitting on a ball. You have to write here sitting. S-I-T-T-I-N-G, sitting. You have to write here sitting. S-I-T-T-I-N-G, sitting. Okay, now number 3, the last one. It is dash trousers. It is wearing trousers. Okay, what's the spelling of wearing? W-E-A-R-I-N-G, wearing. Okay, right here wearing. It is wearing trousers. Okay, like this. W-E-A-R-I-N-G, wearing. Now the question F. Now answer the questions about the monster. Okay, start your sentences with it is or they are. Okay, you have to answer the questions about the monster. Okay, and you have to give the answer starting with it is or they are. Okay, now example, is the monster's cup red or green? Yes, you can see it is green. Now the answer it is green. Number 1, are the monster's eyes big or small? Now you can see here they are small. Yes, the monster has got small eyes. Okay, so you write here they are small. Okay, they are small. Number 2, are the monster's legs long or short? Are the monster's legs long or short? The monster has got long legs. Okay, so you write they are long. Number 3, is the monster's hat big or small? This is a hat. Okay, monster's hat, and you know this is big. Yes, so you write here it is big. It is big. Number 4, is the monster happy or sad? Look at this picture. The monster looks happy. The monster looks happy. So you write here it is happy. Now number 5, are the monster's teeth black or white? Yes, they are monster's teeth, and you can see in this picture they are white. Okay, so you write here they are white. Okay, now solve the next question. Question G, write some more sentences about the monster. More sentences, yes. Now you have to write your own sentences about the monster. You can write the monster looks very ugly. Yes, it's very ugly. Not, it's very ugly. So you can write the monster looks very ugly. It is wearing a big hat. Yes, you can see here it's wearing a big hat. Its trousers are red. Yes, you can see its trousers are red. Yes, its teeth are sharp. Yes, you can see monster's teeth are sharp. So you can write its teeth are sharp. Okay, you can add more sentences on your own. Okay, here the lesson has been completed. Now I'm talking to your parents. Guidelines for parents. A. Ask the child to complete C from page 22 in his or her copy book. आपने जो क्वेश्चन सी है वो पेज नंबर 22 में जो दिया हुआ है उसको आप बच्चे की कॉपी बुक में करवाना है उसे कंप्लीट. क्वेश्चन बी, आस्क द चाइल्ड टू कंप्लीट डी एंड ई एट पेज 23. ये जो क्वेश्चन डी और ई है ये पेज नंबर 23 में सॉल्व होंगे, बुक में ही सॉल्व करना है इसको. नाउ सी, आस्क द चाइल्ड टू कंप्लीट एफ एंड जी फ्रॉम पेज 23 इन हिज और हर कॉपी बुक. और ये पेज नंबर 23 में जो क्वेश्चन एफ हैं और जी हैं इसको आपने कॉपी बुक में सॉल्व करवाना है. टेक केयर ऑफ हैंड राइटिंग एंड स्पेलिंग्स. ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. जज़ाकल्लाह. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.